I come from a long line of nappers. I understand the value of a nap and when to nap, but often there is nowhere to nap. That is why I invented the Porta-Nap, a portable attachment that lets you sleep anywhere at any time. The Porta-Nap attaches your sweatshirt strings to your belt loops so your sweatshirt strings can support your head when you take a nap. It's like a hammock for your head. The integrated NFC chip speeds up the napping process to do a task like set an alarm by just tapping your phone against a Porta-Nap. Using the Porta-Nap app, the user can set a default nap length and a do not disturb message. When the user is sleepy, they can simply tap their phone against their Porta-Nap and an alarm will be set and the do not disturb message will be shown. The app can also be used to quickly get more information on how to use the Porta-Nap right before your nap. By using the hole in the Porta-Nap, I am able to keep the Porta-Nap attached to my sweatshirt strings with a knot. This makes taking a nap and using the NFC features more convenient and quick. In this demo, I first set the alarm by tapping my phone to the Porta-Nap, then I wrap the sweatshirt strings around the Porta-Nap to tighten it before hooking it to my belt loops. Within 20 seconds, I can take a comfortable nap without even leaving my seat. Now I'm ready to nap. The user can also create their own automated task by resetting the URI or the URL on the chip to do a task like opening a different app, enabling a shortcut, or even opening a website. The Porta-Nap can even be used to share contact information or links with other people by tapping the Porta-Nap against their phone. Because the Porta-Nap comes in pairs, you can make one Porta-Nap do one thing and make the other do something else. As long as the Porta-Nap stays on the user's sweatshirt strings, it's convenient for napping, sharing data, and automating tasks. Sleep anywhere in any chair.